Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy BOMBIE or BOMB token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search BOMB. You will see BOMB on Alpha. You can click it. And then this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see the 24-hour volume and high and low. You can also see the audit here. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click that here in the button. You can choose a limit order or you can using instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.